Hello, welcome back to Thomas Talks. Today I'm going to be showing you some old Balenciaga shoes that I got probably about 8 or 9 years ago now. And unfortunately they do not fit, so that's probably the reason they're not being worn. But I've not actually shown them on the channel, so I thought, why don't I show them before I decide if I'm selling them or not? And you can comment below what you would do as well. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, so this is the box for the Balenciaga trainers. Now, these are probably going on 9 years old, if not similar time period to that. These are definitely older than the Gucci ones. Allegedly £455 back in the day. But yeah, I've been trying to Google this design pattern here, like the name and make and all this coding to see if I could find another pair online for like a comparison, but I have had no luck. But quite a simple plain white box, a little bit dirty from sitting in the wardrobe for all the years. And now these are annoying because I really like these, and I think they've maybe been worn once again. The tissue paper does say Balenciaga on it. We do have a dust bag saying Balenciaga in there, as well as the little sachet of stuff and a pair of laces, which I guess is going to be handy if those ones ever broke. Now let's take the box out of the way. And these are the trainers, which, do you know, ironically, when I was in the shops the other day, I started to see some trainers with this kind of faux, like neoprene material on top of it, which is quite interesting just to see it's like 9 years later this has came back around. But it kind of makes it look like you're wearing socks. You know, the tongue goes right up to the top here. It does have Velcro going across. And this is like a nice suede material around the side, kind of neutral colours. And I like the fact that they're not really like shouting anything other than just looking like normal shoes. And then underneath it does say Balenciaga on the soles, which I've still got the sticker on one of them, which makes me laugh. Yeah, if I've worn these twice in my life, I would be surprised. The last time I remember these being out of the box, and I took them all the way to Dubai in 2017, and it was too hot to even wear trainers like this. So, yeah, they never made a reappearance since then. So it's probably at least 7 years since they've really been out the wardrobe properly. And yeah, they're cool to see. They've got this like padding at the back, which is nice, soft and squidgy. So that is like swimsuit kind of diving material. Kind of netting on the side. I said I just love these shoes as well. Like, it's such a shame they don't fit. But they are a UK 10, and is that 45? Is that what it's saying? It's hard to see. I think the box said what size they're wearing. European size of 44, according to the European label on it. So maybe that is a 44. It's just my eyesight with the worn sticker. But yeah, again, similar to what we've seen with the Gucci shoes, I don't know what to do with them, if I'm going to sell them or keep them in the wardrobe, because they're just too small in terms of width. So I'm closer to a 10.5 stroke 11. And yeah, I'm really bad at getting rid of stuff. I remember selling my Louis Vuitton clay pouch during COVID, and then I was like, oh no, like having regret, because I think I sold it like, say, for £120 or something like that, and I paid 130 for it like a year prior or something. And now they're like 200 odd, but it's just, that's different, I guess. I guess I just sold that because I wasn't using it, whereas this I can't wear. You know, at least an accessory you can use. These you cannot, well, I cannot use or fit. So comment below what you guys would do. Be real curious to hear, because yeah, I really like the shoes. I think the material and the design's useful, funky, you know. For anybody who wants to see the inside, there we go. It's kind of like it says Balenciaga at the bottom there. It's going to be really hard to see on the camera, but yeah, the light's really bad. But yeah, it says it just down there, Balenciaga, and let me read what it says. For you all, Paris, made in Italy. So that's what it says at the bottom of the sole, or insert in there. As you can see, trainer reviews and videos are not my forte, but I just wanted to share this before either they go or whatever happens with them. And I've rambled on enough now. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about these trainers and what you guys would do if you were in my shoes, theoretically. Thank you for watching. Ciao.